Hello everyone, I am Nahit and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to convert a loss-making business into profitable. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So if you want to convert your loss-making business into profitable business, then number one thing you can do, that is you should find out the root cause for making losses in your business. As for example, your product's quality may not be good, or your products are overpriced, or the employees of your business or your business partner may steal money from your business. In that case, you should find out the root cause for making losses in your business and you should take necessary steps against it. Number second thing you can do, that is you can implement cost cutting measures. In that case, you can find out those areas where cost can be reduced without compromising the quality of the product. As for example, you are buying or purchasing raw materials from a supplier, but other suppliers are offering you to supply same quality of products or same quality of raw materials but with low price. In that case, you can change or you can shift your raw material supplier. Number third thing you can do, that is you can increase the revenue of your business by targeting new segment or targeting new customer or targeting new market. In that case, you should diversify your product and you should offer new product to your customer. And in that case, you can also analyze your pricing strategies and you can change your pricing strategies to increase the revenue of your business. And you should also innovate new marketing strategies to increase the sales volume in your business. And the last one, number four thing you can do, that is you can improve operational efficiency in your business or in your company by giving more training to your employee or by giving motivation to your employees. And you should also implement a positive working culture in your business or in your company. But along with that, you should also track the performance of your employees in your business. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.